Guys, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from Ama Fans Wetu TV. Welcome to Ama Fans Wetu TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Richards Bay 0, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. I'm joined by the only Kaizer Chiefs fan that talks football.
Stivo. Stivo. Repeat, Stivo.
The only Kaizer Chiefs fan that talks football. It's London.
Stivo. As usual. Commenting on that is Tibo. Let me correct other people. Yes. The difference between Nalema Kosiamang is because of I don't talk politician in football.
Yes.
The reason why I'm the only Kaizer Chiefs who speak football is because of I read the fact, the little opinion according to my point of view. Yeah. Because of I'm the only one who understands football in Kaizer Chiefs. Steve, I don't want to comment. Steve, I'm not here to build a brand. I'm not here to build a brand. I'm here to talk football. That's why people they'll lately understand me. Steve, the reason why I'm saying this, I heard other people supporters they say I must join Orlando Pirates. I'm not gonna join Orlando Pirates because of Nike credit, because of they've done well. Yes. That's why you will see the difference between me as a Kaizer Chiefs and another Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah. If the team they've played well, I'll give the credit. Yeah. If they didn't play well, I won't give them the credit. Exactly. For me, saying Orlando Pirates they played well last time, they've played a good football. Yeah. I must be honest to myself. Yeah. I don't have to say something so luring. Exactly. Going to this game today's team, what is an interesting football? Yeah. A very good PSL Betway Premiership to watch in 2024.
That's right.
Competition between Mamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates. Yeah. Amazing. Yeah. Hotman. There's other Bomakino today. I don't know how about Boroko. They're starting to say Pulo Karekana Baba postpone game. Yeah. No, they wish. They wish. Because of look at how the gap between now. But whom we feel Hotman. Hotman, let me say this as a Kaizer Chiefs who speak football and understand football. I'm going to say this. Listen to me. I know they're going to say I must go and join Sundowns now because today's playing Sundowns. Yeah. Last time they say I must join. I'm not joining any club. I'm a Kaizer Chiefs here.
Until you die.
Until I die.
Your blood is yellow.
My blood is yellow and gold, like I said.
Yeah.
Steve, let me say this. Sundowns. The last game of 2024 ended on a high note.
For Sundowns.
Great gift for Mamelodi Sundowns supporters.
Yeah.
Steve, 3-point clean sheet.
Yes.
Steve, I'm talking about Cardoso, the new head coach of Mamelodi Sundowns, who came and played 4/4 and he won 4/4. Yeah. He never conceded any goal. Yeah. He scored 5 goals. Yes. Good record as a coach.
Great record.
Good start as a coach.
Yes.
Good Christmas gift from a Mamelodi Sundowns.
True.
As a new coach.
That's right.
To win 4/4 without any draw, without any lose, without any conceder. Yes. But you can score 5 goals. Yeah. Steve, let me carry on, Hotman. Let me give a credit to Mamelodi Sundowns players. They've played 6 games in a row. On our PSL league, they've won all 6 games. Yes. Clean sheet. Yeah. 12 goals. Incredible. Amazing result. I'll repeat it to you.
Repeat, my brother.
Mamelodi Sundowns record.
Yes.
Last 6 games. Yeah. 6/6. Yeah. They've won 6 games. Yeah. Never considered and they never lose any or draw any.
Yes.
But ba korile 12 goals.
They better than Pirates.
Going back to the coach, the new coach for Mamelodi Sundowns, who edile spark to the record of Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yes.
Why I'm saying this? Record pounds to pounds. Unkutlwele Grootman.
Yeah.
The record pounds to pounds against the Richards Bay. Sundowns win 6-6. Today they won 7-7.
Yeah.
Against the Richards Bay.
Yes.
It's mean a lot, Grootman.
Yeah, it does.
General, let me tell you this. Today's game, 4-4-3 formation didn't work for Richards Bay.
Why?
Grootman, they tried to press. Counter-attack, Grootman. They were playing a quick counter-attack.
Yes.
And immediately when they play a quick counter-attack, Bayrang, Babula the wide area space.
Yeah.
Ne? And then immediately when they lose the ball, they don't cover them. The running abona, they don't allow spaces abona as allow or cover that space immediately. Sundowns is good to have a quality in mind. Why? So then they read the game. The first person that I'm gonna give a credit, Denis Onyango.
Yeah, yeah.
Clean sheet. I never expected him to do overwork today.
Yes.
He have done overwork today.
Yeah.
Why? Ubone hore that team it homoba pressure. I want not that team it homoba pressure uirang over reader mind. The only thing that he can do is to delay the game. Onna mo fata asa hobala then ba khono mot attend. Why? Slower pace because of you'll put the team, they are going to put Mamelodi Sundowns under the pressure now.
Yeah,
immediately baba under pressure baba costa the mistake. That's how Owana that team kono kera di chances it's a creator ebe thadipala. Unfortunately, then they were coming as a quick attacker. That's why they 4-4-3 formation. Immediately when they play quick, they're not used to play quick. They press. They never press. They don't have a good finishing in front. That's why it end up by Iran. Abasa check an appeal like the opposition space. Abasa check a space. They end up kicking the ball without looking over the front box 18 area. Grootman, good credit for coach Sundowns. Today I'll talk a lot because of him. Why I'm saying this? Look at how Sundowns played today's game. Look at how Sundowns play 4 games under the new coach. Each and every game he approached the game in a different way. He like every game you can see who start a game or read a game. Over the decision making on the game. Utlisa line up each and every team.
Yeah.
In every game. Or attack a game a different. Why I'm saying this is Tibo. Line up high, but the players are not like every game. I will say let's about Upela Achencha is trying to rest the leg of the players.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why? Because of he still had a lot to do Mutimunyi. Why there's a lot to do? Grootman. The competition is like tshwantsa ba yo di baya. So o tlamelo re a itse squad sa hae. Aska utlwa ka compela are o so. But you want to see yena self. But o botlhale, I can say ke clever.
Ke clever man. Araba so motesti di man.
No, ke clever. Why ke clever Steve?
Yeah.
He know when is the right time to start Renas.
To make a substitution.
Yeah. Timing which is the right time to start this guy or to bring him as a substitute.
Exactly.
Sometimes you might make a mistake. Ka substitute. Wakero motho mile khane no tlamelo motlisa as a sub.
Yeah.
Then like I said, get clever. Grootman, I cannot say abasomo tasty. Why ke re biao? Today ke bone Sundowns e try ho dlala ka triangle. Why ke re ne try ho dlala ka triangle? Look at the goal first goal where it comes from.
Yeah.
That first goal, according to me, it's unfortunately they were poor structured full back ya Richard Bay.
Yeah.
Player at 6. You know I've got that eye to read the game.
I do.
Steve.
Yes.
Who can tell you this as a Kaizer Chiefs?
Not Wawa.
Grootman.
Not Killer.
I'm talking about the first goal for Richard Bay. Look at how 6 full back ya 4L ne ba dlala ka yona plus a defensive midfield ya bona itlo pressa mo le ba 6 and this guy wa quality ya Sundowns who's this guy Ribeiro, he was standing on the middle as an assist. Look at how Mudiba and Morena ne ba ntse ka mo left wing le ka mo right wing ka mo khwateng. Those 6 guys ba Richards Bay, they were in front. Ne renali two na ba dala 4-4-2 Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
Ne so that ball ela I pushitseng Rhinos 6/3. And look at how ball ela ifitile batho ba kae 1 2 3. Ifitile batho ba 3 before if it go sales one tlhalwang, but unfortunately they already delay game. It's a quality ke motholo I was expected him as ukorile goal ubile goal assist. He was supposed to get man of the match. Unfortunately I get a man of the match. You need a player like motho khono read that game abe assist a fetsa akore.
Yeah,
I can tell you that Ribeiro have won this game for Mamelodi Sundowns today.
yeah.
I can tell you that it's an individual work.
Yeah.
It's a teamwork. Look at how a second goal came to the game. You can tell 52 passes before. I'm telling you, 52 passes before Bakakora goal in. And Richards Bay allow Mamelodi Sundowns to play in the middle and to also play on the left and left wing and right wing. Immediately, because of always a Ribeiro Haikera ball, he was trying to play as a middle, but as a player left wing, right wing. Then Kimo Riboning Kateng Atoma Bayran, Sundowns Tomo Ateka Bia, but there were 8 players standing. They were supposed to defend that goal. They were poor today, Richards Bay, even though they were trying to press and Babeta Di Pala Baira. But pounds to pounds, they were very poor on the game. On Talahanya's team. But let me give credit to Mamelodi Sundowns. Merakoba we relaying for this first league 2024. It was very amazing.
Yeah.
On behalf of their supporters, we so wish, even though we so wish. No, Stevo, you know. Let me tell you this, Stevo. Allow me to say this, Stevo. No, Stevo. What's about Barring Hortman? Barring one I say you Hortman. Oh, yeah, don't laugh at Kaizer Chiefs. No, don't laugh at Kaizer Chiefs, Hortman. Let me tell you this, Stevo. Okay, laugh until I say stop. I'm giving you time to laugh now. Stevo, laugh until I say oh. No, Stevo, laugh at Kaizer Chiefs until I say oh. Yeah, because you want to laugh.
Tell me, my brother.
Okay, I'm listening.
No.
Yeah.
Asibene var mfethu program angifuni ukukwestela isikhathi program. Yabona lama superstition nala kuphupha lokho eli nizolimala mfethu.
Okay,
nizolimala ngoba iChiefs into ukuthi yazikupage bani.
Steve, wabona le
ikupage bani iChiefs.
No, Steve, why it's about tata ba mapirate king. Let me tell you no. Oh yeah, okay. You know what is the problem with this guy? He's laughing at Kaizer Chiefs, ne? Can I laugh at you? Can I laugh at you? You know why? Steve? You know why, Steve? No, listen. No, I will hold it, Steve. You know why I'm laughing at you. You know why I'm laughing. No, whatever why come on Obese would tell Chiefs. But the question of Korea now, what the name Honka League? No, because you thought no, you guys
uthe uyeza wena mina ngiphikisanga ukuthi ngithatha iligi ngithi uthe uyeza uza kuphi
Stevo
page 2
Steve uthaya Chiefs
akithe akazange ngatheya na bheka abuthi lalela uthe uyeza ngathi mfethu uza kuphi ngoba uyabona ukuthi uthi compete mara wena uyabona ukuthi yazi contradict.
Okay, let me tell you.
Lento mele siyilungise 1-on-1 ngiyangithola sihlalele kahle ukuthi uza kuphi ngoba okokucala uthe competition between what Pirates and Sundowns maye wena uza kuphi
Okay.
Uyaphi?
Sometimes
Uyaphi?
it's good to listen. Sometimes it's good to listen. Listening is a skill. Listening is a skill. I said there's a good and very interesting competition this season between Mamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates.
Exactly.
Ne?
What and what?
Conclusion yaga, it was like, Larry Namakosi, we are coming. Where? The question is where? You misunderstand. That's why I said listening skill is very important. I said the competition is between you two.
Yes,
Ne?
you are right.
Ne? I never include Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
But now I said we are coming.
Uza kuphi?
I just you are already jump on me. That's why I say
When you are in your rightful place.
lebakela Pirates ebhabe.
You are in your rightful place. Bheka, bahleli kahle epositionini yabo ebabhilonga kuyo 10 of 10. Uyangithola? Hey, position 10, page 2. Andile Charlie. Ha, uyobalimaza. Ngechipa.
You see how people they are afraid now.
Bheka,
You see what Sundowns have cost now.
Whoa.
You see what Sundowns have cost Orlando Pirates. No, they've cost Sundowns have costed Orlando Pirates now. It's law. But behave so. Okay. It's awesome.
Ubitrewe ifeni yakho.
Yeah.
Umen Bias khulume ngayo. Hambile wayesupport ichipu ibona.
No, okay, wait. Let me respond this. I'm sorry. Let me respond this guy. Let me respond him. Okay. Listen here, ne? Like I said, listening is a skill. Ne? You are talking about Minbine as a Kaizer Chiefs who understand football and talk football. I'm not here to talk about other people. I'm here to talk football.
Maruhambile ubonile inkinga.
Ne? So you see how Mamelodi Sundowns have cost us Orlando Pirates.
Is this chest pains?
Chest pains.
Now you want to run now.
No, I'm not running. I want to give you space.
Okay, give me a space to continue. No, Steve. Okay, Steve. Thank you very much. Good luck. All the best for my team tomorrow. Hopefully they will do well. I believe what Kaizer Chiefs. Our glory days will come back.
Thank God.